Okay, so if we were in a classroom setting, we would be practicing classical conditioning. The lesson plan is on operant and classical conditioning and the difference between them, but what I want the students to learn is how to classically condition someone or something to do something, a desired result. So how we would implement this in a classroom is we'd pick a volunteer, and that volunteer would go outside, and the classroom would come up with something that they wanted that person to do. So say, sit on a chair. And then we'd call the person back in, and that person would have no idea what we wanted them to do. So they would just start experimenting with things, walking along the wall, touching things, and then what we were doing is as they're doing these, we're going to be having a clicker, and we're going to be clicking, and when they get closer and closer to the desired result, that's when we reinforce the clicks more and more, so it makes them be reinforced to, yes, do this, do this. Kind of like the game when you're younger. Am I hot? Am I hot? Am I cold? Am I cold? You're getting hot, you're getting cold, closer to something or farther away. I'm going to hopefully get my roommate to fold the sweater that's there on my bed. She's going to have no idea what I want her to do, but we're going to reinforce when she gets closer to it and see if we can get her to do that. Okay, this is my roommate trying to be classically conditioned to do my secret task. Success! After this video, Mary was classically conditioned by reinforcement to fold the sweater. And if you were doing operant conditioning, it would be more so in the environment, animals learning from each other by seeing. This was actually set and planned out. This is how they implement things in the lab settings. So she was successfully classically conditioned to fold the sweater. Now, in the classroom setting, the kids would pair up, and they would do that with their partners, and they would get to pick what it is they wanted their person to do. And then, in result, learning how to reinforce what that person was doing. And we successfully showed that. The end.